from Rini Clinic in Leamington Spa. Today we are meeting this lovely young man who is 41 years old and he has consented to be on the video. A month ago he underwent Pearly Penile Papule treatment with us here in Leamington Spa, and today I'm seeing him just after a month of his treatment. So James, tell the viewers about your overall treatment journey with us.
So from start to finish, it's been excellent. Communication, information-wise, price-wise, all the research I did before I came to the clinic, it exceeds my expectations, and I've been cured completely of the condition that I had previously before I came to this clinic. Before I came to this clinic, I've seen advice from other professionals, and I haven't had any results or anything compared to visiting this clinic.
Okay, so if you're watching this video, you're out there in Manchester or whatever, and you have Pearly Penile Papule, what advice would you like to give to these boys who have PPP?
Simply just contact the clinic. I wish I'd done it sooner, but I went a few years without contacting because I didn't know what to do, didn't know what to expect. But as soon as I phoned up and got the consultation, it puts you to ease, and at the end result, it's going to be gone. So, yeah.
Good. Would you say there was any discomfort while I'm doing the procedure?
None whatsoever. I thought there would be, as you do. You always overthink before you come for a procedure. I honestly didn't even know you were doing the procedure. I didn't feel a thing.
Okay. One more question. Did you feel safe when you came to us?
100%. Definitely 100%.
Credible?
Yes, definitely.
Trustworthy?
Just for everything, all the above.
Okay, all right. And the price-wise, we were also...
Yeah, spot on. You just hit all the marks, and I recommend this clinic to anybody. I really do.
Okay. Right, so a few words about Pearly Penile Papule. Pearly Penile Papule is completely normal condition. 1 in 5 boys will have some degree of PPP, and not everybody would need treatment. Once you have the PPP, it will stay lifelong. It will never go away. There is no cream, lotion, or injections, or tablets, or medicine which will cure PPP. If you're concerned, you're looking for treatment, the treatment at a professional clinic is the only answer. I hope that helps. Thank you again. Take care. God bless.